Hey, welcome back guys, this is Alec with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another video. This is going to be the top cover replacement and bottom cover replacement. So in order to replace the top cover of your PS4 Pro, let's say you have damage on one side and it just looks ugly and you want to replace it, you simply lift the middle of it, lift one side of it till you hear a click, lift the other side, simply lift gently up, and slide down, just like so. Get the new cover, and you slide it on from the back, and you simply clip it till you hear a few clicks like that. There we go. That is a top cover replacement. Now we are going to do the bottom one. For the bottom replacement, you're going to need a T9 screwdriver. There's pretty much a center hole with kind of like a hexagon shape. So you go to the back, there are two screws, one, two, sometimes there's a third, but this one doesn't have a third. So we're going to remove those screws. One, two, and then you simply clip one side of it up, the other side of it up, simply lift the center up just as well, lift it up and slide. There we go. That exposes the internals. Now to put it back on, simply get the new cover. I'm using the old one because this one's still good. Put it on, slide it all the way, and then gently let it sink in. Clip it till you hear two clicks. Get the two screws. Screw them back in place. And that's it. Let's get back to gaming.